Today.
We're going to Target.
It's not Target, that's Food for Less.
Oh.
To change money. Wala, ikaw na rin. Dipilit mo dito. Ang kapag lang kihapon.
Maybe we'll send to your mom the amount.
Lucas, can you tell me how much that is?
It is 1571.
Nice.
Okay.
What you got there, bud?
We got a big box from GameStop.
What's in there? Can you read what's in there?
There's Dragonite box, Ganga, and Snorlax.
All right.
I need the scissors.
Are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
That's a lot.
Can we open the
Which one do you open up first?
We're going to open up since the best one is Ganga.
All right. Careful.
Where do we
Open it from the side. So what do you have inside, bud? Careful.
We have a
Let's see.
big Ganga. We have 4 packs, and we have a small Ganga EX.
All right.
How do we take card?
What's that, bud?
Ganga EX.
That's a big card.
We got the littlest one.
The little card.
Yeah.
And then how many packs did we get?
4.
What kind of packs are those?
We got Stream Seg, XY Evolution, XY Primal Clash, and Sun and Moon. Open it.
What are we opening next?
We're opening the Dragonite.
Okay, let's move the rest over.
So 4 plus 4 equals
What is it equal to?
8. Pause it. Well, don't show it.
I did not. What's that?
We got the XY Fate
Fates Collide.
Glide. We got the XY Evolutions again. We got XY Evolutions. We got that again.
Fates Collide.
And we got the
You do this.
Dragonite EX.
Can you show it to us? And the big one too. Nice. Awesome.
We're opening our last one.
So how many packs do we have right now?
We got 2, 1, 1, 1, 3. That is 8.
8.
Okay.
And last one we got.
Snorlax GX. We got the GX one. I love this one. I'm gonna love this one. I love this one. Look it. We got
2 Snorlaxes.
3.
3 Snorlaxes.
Okay, we got
Fates Collide. Evolutions. What's this?
Evolution.
Another Fates Collide.
Gengar EX Max. Amo ni yung game mo?
We got the Snorlax EX. We got the basic Snorlax. I need help. We got the regular one.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.